Thank you for choosing RDI's vinyl gate kits from the RDI crossover family of products. Our low-maintenance vinyl gate kits offer safety and security, easy assembly, and are compatible with all vinyl rail systems. We recommend adding our Boorbell gate hinges, sold separately, featured within this video. First, we'll build the gate, then mount a set of our Boorbell standard wrap hinges, then finish with mounting the gate. Place the top and bottom vinyl frame rails parallel to each other with the flat legs of the aluminum stiffeners facing up and the baluster holes facing each other. Then place the left and right side vinyl frame rails parallel to each other with the flat legs of the aluminum stiffeners facing up, aligning with the routs to accept the flat legs of the frame rails. Insert the left side frame rail into the bottom frame rail and insert the right side frame rail into the bottom frame rail. Insert your balusters into each hole in the bottom frame rail. Then insert the right side frame rail into the top frame rail. Working toward the left side frame rail, insert your balusters into the corresponding top frame rail baluster holes. Insert the left side frame rail into the top frame rail. Using a framing square, ensure that the gate is properly aligned in preparation for permanent assembly. Working first on the side that will not have hardware, use the drilling template located within the printed instruction sheet to plan the location of the assembly screws. Then, using a 5/32 inch bit, pre-drill at all 4 locations on the top and bottom corners of this side. Then, secure these 4 corners with the included assembly screws. Next, we'll mount our Boorbell gate hinges to the gate. First, turn your gate over to the opposite side. Place your top hinge onto the gate upright, centered on the top rail, and mark lines on the gate upright. Repeat for the bottom hinge. Using the Allen wrench included with your Boorbell kit, remove the 2 set screws that secure the swing arm to the gate plate. Place a gate plate firmly against the gate, upright between the 2 lines that you marked. Pre-drill through the 2 screw holes in the front of the gate plate with a 3/32 inch drill bit, being careful not to drill all the way through the gate uprights. Repeat for the other gate plate. Secure the gate plates to the gate uprights using 2 1¼ inch flathead screws. Set the gate on the edge and pre-drill 2 3/32 inch holes through the screw holes in the side of the gate plate. Secure with 2 1¼ inch flathead screws per plate. Place the swing arms back into the gate plates and use your Allen wrench to secure the 2 set screws that hold the swing arm onto the gate plate. Position the gate at your desired height on the post to determine your bottom space and cut 2 wood blocks to this height. Rest the gate on your blocks and hold it level with the gate posts. Be sure that the bottom rail of the gate lines up with the bottom rail of your railing. While holding the swing arms firmly against your post, pre-drill through the 2 screw slots in the front of the swing arm into the post using a 3/32 inch bit. Secure your hinge with 2 1 1/4 panhead screws. Repeat this for both the top and bottom hinges. Open the gate and pre-drill 3 3/32 inch holes through the 3 screw slots in the side of the swing arms. Be sure that the holes are near the vertical centers of the slots to allow vertical adjustment of the hinges. Secure with 3 1 1/4 inch panhead screws. Repeat this for both swing arms. Then close the gate and check your alignments. Next, we'll adjust the barbell hinge tension. Hinge tensions are preset and should not need adjustment, but if you want to change the gate swing speed or disable the self-closing feature, we'll show you how it's done. Remove the hinge cover. Place the Allen wrench into the head of tension adjustment pin. Press down and turn a 1/4 turn towards the plus sign to tighten or towards the minus sign to loosen. To disable the self-closing feature, push down and turn towards the minus symbol until the gate no longer shuts on its own, being careful not to over-loosen the tension adjustment pin. Snap on the hinge cover. Using the template from earlier, pre-drill with a 5/32 inch bit, then secure the gate corners together using assembly screws. Repeat for both top and bottom. Crossover gate kits are designed to work with multiple barbell gate latches. We're using the barbell gravity latch. To install, mark and pre-drill using 3/32 inch bit. Measure and install the latch with 6 1-inch Phillips screws. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the instructions included with your selected latch. Check your gate installation for accuracy before snapping the screw head covers into place. Don't forget to add accessories from the RDI crossover family of products. That's all there is to it. Be sure to visit us on the web at www.rdirail.com to see other exciting crossover products to add that perfect finishing touch you've been looking for. Thanks for watching.